సో హాయ్ ఎవరివన్, నేను మీ అరణ్. మీరు చూస్తున్నారు ట్రేడ్ విత్ ఏడి యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. సో ఛానల్ ఎవరైనా ఫస్ట్ టైం వస్తే దయచేసి వెళ్ళి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అయితే చేసుకోండి. ఐ హోప్ మీకు కంటెంట్ నచ్చుతుంది అనుకుంటా. సిరీస్ పార్ట్ 3 అనమాట ఇది. పార్ట్ 1 పార్ట్ 2 మీకు క్లియర్గా అర్థమే అనుకుంటా. అర్థమే అవ్వకపోతే కూడా డోంట్ వరీ, నేనున్నాను. నేను బాగా చెప్తాను మీకు. డోంట్ వరీ, ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ పిన్ టు పిన్ పాయింట్ చెప్తాను. మెయిన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఏవో మనం తెలుసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, దాని మీద మీకు కంప్లీట్ డీటెయిల్స్ నేను తేగలను. సో ఇది పార్ట్ 3, జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి. నెక్స్ట్ మేబీ ఇంకొక పార్ట్ రావచ్చేమో 3 or 4 తర్వాత నేను సిరీస్ చేస్తాను. ఓకేనా? సో అది ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నారో వినండి. ఓకే ఓకే.
So you asked me one for swing trading, right?
One is triggers and one is order
chart order and trade, right?
Order, okay.
These both are for intraday. Okay?
Intraday.
So we'll
okay.
do one more, like you asked me for positional swing trade.
Yeah, swing trades. Most of the our subscribers are like job employees only. They ask for swing tradings, they ask for positionals. So
okay, so fine. So let's work on the first concept only, and we'll use that particular concept in the positional trade also.
Okay.
So what we have talked about is in the first case, the triggers, right? Okay.
Oh, open interest.
So we talked about that thing. So what is happening actually in the Tata Chemical, if you see?
Okay.
So when the price moved up, actually, the option writers are actually unwinding their position. So why they're unwinding the position? Because they feel trapped.
Okay.
Okay. So when an option seller will feel trapped, what happened? Because he's stuck.
He's stuck. Yeah.
So if he's stuck, who is actually gaining the market? Buyers, right?
Buyers, yes.
So market has become directional. So when option sellers are writing the position, so market will stay in range, right?
Yes.
So as soon as the market become directional, option writers will start unwinding the position and they start shifting it.
Yes, yes,
right?
that's true.
So if you see here in Tata Chemical, what happens is that across multiple strike price, what we have is unwinding.
Unwinding, yeah.
On the call side. So that means all the option sellers are scared that market is, the stock has become, directional, right? On the
directional upside, yeah.
Same way we can talk about on the negative side.
Okay.
So whenever a call writer is getting trapped, it's a bullish sign for a market. Okay.
Okay.
Whenever a put writer is getting trapped, it's a bearish sign.
Bearish sign, okay.
So the logic remains the same. The concept is the same. This can be used for a positional trade also.
Okay.
Okay. So let me show you. For other stock also we can check once. So see, right now that the current price for Tata Communication is 1258.
1258, yeah.
Which is the highest strike price we have as of now in the in terms of open interest is 1300.
Yeah.
So once the price will reach that level and break it, what will happen? The Tata Communication will become positional,
yes.
Directionally. We will start trading directional, right? Okay.
From
so
1300, we can expect the market will go up when it is becoming unwinding.
Yes.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So same way, now you can check this Tata Consumer.
Okay.
So it is trading near support, and you can see unwinding actually started happening in the put option.
Okay. Yeah.
So as soon as this will stock break this level, it might fall. So that means here put writers. So what actually happens? See, some of the traders have unwinded the position here, and they might have added here.
Okay.
Can you see that?
Yeah. It's at
so
770.
1 lakh 90, 2 lakh,
yes,
almost. If you see put option here, if you check the values, here it's almost 1 lakh 90 has been unwinded, and here it's almost like added 263.
263.
So
yes.
they have shifted the position on the negative.
Yeah.
On the negative.
Here,
side, right?
Here I have a doubt. In 780 there is a open interest, right?
It's very small. So what could be what could happen? So this is actually comparing with the previous day.
Okay. That's
so what would happen in the probably in today's session, that in morning session they have built up a good position.
Okay.
By the time they come, they have ended and they close it with a small addition.
Okay.
So it was just only two. So are you saying that we have only traded 2500 quantity throughout the day? Not possible.
Not possible.
So it's not a thing. Actually, it might be some good quantity. They have unwinded it later on.
Okay.
Right. So actual and the end of the day, we have only 25,200 quantity addition.
So only additional. That's it. Okay,
right?
I got it.
And that's end of the day. Probably here also we got like we might have added like 6 lakh.
Okay.
So initially in the morning we have plus 120 could be a addition. But by the time he closes the market, so it all done out.
Okay, I got it.
Right. So actually we have a put writing trap in Tata Consumer.
Okay.
So put writers are being trapped in the Tata Consumer. Okay. You can see same way probably in this call writing trap is happening because the two major
Yes.
call writing happening. So basically, what is the idea is that whenever the call writing is trapped, the market will move, and
Move.
put writers are trapped, it moves. Again, the question is how we will find that in every particular stock what is happening.
Yeah,
So the question remains the same.
Yeah.
So you cannot go and check this particular chart every
We
time.
can't see every chart like this. Who is getting, who is unwinding.
So the question remains the same, right? Okay. So what we'll do, we'll solve this problem. We have a trap indicator which basically do this.
Okay. This is important.
So,
Okay.
See, Tata Communication. It is there only.
Okay,
So what
here
I said,
it is clearly written as put writing trap.
put writing trap. So we found that there just now.
Yeah.
In the open interest, right? So see, it is also doing the same thing. So put writers being trapped in the Tata Communication. So it says that the stock might fall. Okay.
It is a bearish move.
It is a bearish move. So you can check. So what is happening in any of the stock? It will tell you. So LNTFH call writing trap means it is going likely to go upside.
Okay.
Muthoot Finance again call writing. So PB means it's probable buy. As of
we can use this for intraday purpose also, right?
No, only position.
Only positional. Okay. This is in 1 day time frame. Like
yes. So I'll tell you how to use it. I'm just giving you some clarification with this terminology.
Okay.
So if you see right now, this is signal price. So it gave me a signal at the current price that it's showing you right now.
Okay.
So LNTFH is the current stock. That first stock which gives you a call writing trap. The signal price is 98.4. This is the current price. Today's date
15. Yeah.
Right. And it gave me a trading at closing price. So 98.4 is the close price as well. So no change. Signal price is 0 and return is 0. Now it will start calculating the returns tomorrow. Okay, means it given signal today. From today, so at the end of the day.
Okay, at the end of the day. From tomorrow onwards, we have to see that LNT.
Yeah, we need to check the trade. So there are a lot of signals came today. Probably I am not sure how many signal will remain after how copy get updated. Okay. So open interest has a huge influential change when how copy get updated, right? So I don't know how many signal will there. So we need to check this data actually at 9:20 tomorrow. 9:20. Okay. After 9:20, if I check it, if the Tata Motors is there, I'll go and buy a probably any call option or probably any spread on Tata Motors tomorrow. Because it's a positional trade, right? Yes, push. Sun Pharma is a weak stock, Bata is a bullish stock, BPCL is a negative stock, Tata Communication is a negative stock. Just by looking at this, you can identify. We can assess. Talking about the returns, you can check the historical returns of the stock, which are still on the having a positive signals. Now you can see Maruti. It gave me a signal at 8229 on second. Okay. Right now it's trading at 9.
Just a second. Signal means that is the entry price. 82.
Entry price, yeah. It is entry price. So we need to enter tomorrow nearby some.
Yes, exactly at this price. Okay, I got it.
Yeah, around somewhere around this price.
Okay, 1 rupee up and down. Okay.
If the stock shows you, let's say 2% gap up, 2% gap down, then we will ignore it.
Okay.
It should be somewhere in between 1%.
Okay.
Right. So let's say Maruti is 8829 on this date given it. So current price is 9235. That means almost the price went up by 4.5%, right?
Yes.
You can check same AU Bank gave me a trade on 675 and 714. So it's almost 5% return. Okay. Siemens, you can see this is the current. This was the price entry price, and 3834 is the current price. Right. It's almost 9% return. 9% return. Yes. So if you catch a stock which is giving you a 7 to 8% return on futures,
your futures, yeah.
Even though let's say 5% only in just 10 days, you can do miracles in the options market.
Yeah, definitely.
You can even make 4 times of this return easily, very easily. Right now, what is the best thing about this particular indicator is that it also gives you exit also. Okay, means it went almost. It went negative. So we are having a bad trade in PI industry. It has asked me to exit at 1.15 -% return. That's okay. I'll take the exit. And MRF, it is giving me a positive return of 3%, and it is asking me to exit in the positive return. So eventually, it will give you exit also. Okay. So we need to stay in the trend till market is showing you a positive move. Okay. SBI cards, call writing trap, almost 10% return. See. Okay. 10 days. Right. And some when market goes against you, it will turn out negative. That's not issue, right? That's it is there. See, you can see have some stock is going negative. Probably the stock might have opened with the gap down.
Gap down, yeah.
So that's why
Maybe.
I'm talking. That's why I told you if the stock is open with a gap down, we'll not take a trade.
We'll,
So there are a lot
we'll
of ways
ignore
to
it.
filter out
Yeah.
these stocks.
Okay.
It's not every time that we have to take all the trades. Okay. You can see Glenmark 8%. Likewise, you can see IndusInd Bank 6%, Motherson Sumi 3% return. Some stock have a negative return, so it will ask you to exit someday, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Likewise.
సో
So
జస్ట్ సెకండ్ సార్, ఇక్కడ
Yeah.
మనకి ఏం చెప్తున్నారంటే క్లీన్ గా స్వింగ్ ట్రేడింగ్ రిలేటెడ్ అంటే స్టాక్ హోల్డింగ్స్ ఏదైనా మీరు చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఫ్యూచర్ లో చేసుకోవచ్చు, స్టాక్ లో చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇక్కడ పుట్ రైటర్ కాల్ రైటర్ ట్రాప్స్ ఉన్నాయి చూసారా, అవి మీకు ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేస్తాయి. ఇప్పుడు కాల్ రైటర్ ట్రాప్ అనుకోండి, అంటే కాల్ అంటే రెసిస్టెంట్ ట్రాప్ అంటే కాల్ రైటర్ ట్రాప్. రెసిస్టెన్స్ వీక్ అయింది అనుకోండి, అంటే కాల్ రైటర్లు యాక్చువల్ గా రెసిస్టెన్స్ అంటే ఏంటి, కాల్ రైటర్లు అక్కడ అడ్డుతున్నారు పైకి వెళ్ళకుండా. ఇప్పుడు కాల్ రైటర్లు అక్కడ ట్రాప్ అయ్యారు అనుకో, మార్కెట్ పైకి వెళ్ళాలనుకుంటుంది, వాళ్ళు ఎవరు కాల్ రైటర్లు అంటే రెసిస్టెన్స్ దగ్గర ఉన్న వాళ్ళు ట్రాప్ అయిపోతారు, వాళ్ళే కాల్ రైటర్ ట్రాప్. ఎప్పుడైనా కాల్ రైటర్ ట్రాప్ అయినప్పుడు మీకు ఏదైనా స్టాక్ సిగ్నల్ ప్రైస్ 100 రూపీస్ ఉంది, ఆ ప్రైస్ దాటి 101 లేకపోతే 105 ఇలా ప్రైస్ దాటి మీకు వెళ్ళినప్పుడు గో విత్ ద ఎంట్రీ, అది మీకు మంచి రిటర్న్ ఇస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ ఆల్మోస్ట్ ప్రతి ఒక్కటి రిటర్న్ ఉంది. ఈవెన్ స్టాప్ లెస్లు తింటే స్టాప్ లెసెస్ ఆర్ కామన్, అప్పుడప్పుడు ఇవ్వండి, నో ప్రాబ్లం. బట్ స్టిల్ మీకు మంచి రిటర్న్స్ వస్తున్నాయి స్వింగ్ ట్రేడింగ్ లో. ఎవరైతే స్టాక్ హోల్డింగ్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారో విల్ గో విత్ దిస్. చాలా బాగా పనిచేస్తుంది. డెడికేటెడ్ వీడియో అయితే నేను కంప్లీట్ చేస్తాను 1 by 1. బట్ స్టిల్ ఇది చాలా బాగా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. మీకు అర్థమైతే వెళ్ళనుకుంటే పెట్టుకోండి, బికాస్ ఇక్కడ బాగా వర్కౌట్ అయ్యే ఛాన్సులు చాలా ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి. ఈవెన్ నేను కూడా ఇక్కడ నుంచి స్టాక్స్ బి ద ఫ్రాంక్, నేను కూడా కొన్ని స్వింగ్ ట్రేడింగ్ స్టాక్స్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇస్తుంటాను టీమ్ కి. ఓకే, సో యూ జస్ట్ గో ఎట్ సార్.
Okay, so one more thing that this particular indicator is helpful for stock trading actually.
Yeah, stock trading. Yeah, main
You
thing
can
that
get the signals on Nifty and Bank Nifty also, but you will not get the directional move most of the time.
Okay.
Because index remains, not every time you
Yeah,
will see the
yeah.
directional move, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So even though if we recently got it, see, we got a trade on 9th on Bank Nifty, 4300 200. So you can see in just 5 days we got approximately how much? We got 2% return approximately, right? Okay. Same way we got in just 15 days, we got Nifty also 400 points approximately, right?
Okay.
So you can get the trade on in indices also, but not every time.
Yeah, if you have a proper view, then the signal also we can consider it and we can go with this.
Exactly. So that's why I'm telling you this particular tool is very good for stocks. Actually, right?
Yes.
Now the question, people ask generally, when I tell them that, okay, there's something called like trap indicator. Which trade you will take a trade? How will you trade it?
Okay. Yeah, main thing that one, everyone will ask how we will.
So if you know how to trade it, but what strategy you will deploy and that kind of thing, that solution is also I have, right? Okay.
Oh.
So let's say HDFC Bank is giving me a call writing trap.
Okay.
So what strategy should I ask? So I'll do some of my analysis and then we'll do it. Okay. So what should I do? If I have to take a trade HDFC, I'll check. What I'll do is I'll check HDFC Bank. Okay. So I'll check the open interest here first.
Okay.
HDFC Bank. Okay. So I'll check it. So I can simply see that, okay, there is a call writing trap happening.
Yeah.
So if the stock is breaking this line, it can move to, as of now, 1700.
Yeah.
This is my resistance. Okay.
Yeah.
And 1650 would be my stop loss if I goes wrong.
Yeah, 1650 is yeah.
Let's say, okay.
Yeah, okay.
So let's say even 1640, let's say. Okay, 1640 is my stop loss because the highest put is at, as of now,
16,000. Yeah.
So I would be going 1640. 1640 is my stop loss. 700 is my target. And I'm assuming that in next 10 days, I'm going to get this target.
Okay.
So this is my view on HDFC Bank now. Okay, I'll not change my view every day. Okay. So I'll hold it now. So now question is, which strategy should I deploy?
Okay.
Which will give me the maximized return. So I will not do it manually. I'll ask the optimizer. Okay. So optimizer is the tool which basically help me to identify which is the best trade for my forecast.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So let me tell you how to use it. So you will open HDFC Bank here, right?
Okay.
Okay. This is the current price. It will automatically fetch that.
Okay.
You need to give your view. What is your view? I have a bullish view on.
Yeah. Okay.
Now you need to what target date. So in how many days you are expecting your target?
Okay,
so
like this week or next week, like that.
You can put your tomorrow's date also.
Okay.
From based on any date, it will give you profit loss accordingly. Let's say I'm I'm ready to wait for expiry.
I expiry, yeah. Even month end
Okay.
expiry is better. Okay.
Okay. So let's say I'm having a 1700 as my target, 1640 is my stop loss.
Stop loss. Okay.
Now I'll ask him, this is my forecast for HDFC Bank. I want to carry this trade till expiry. Now tell me what is the best strategy that I can deploy. So I'll click on get strategy.
Okay.
Okay. So let it find it. So it will give you 5 best possible combinations of the strategies.
Okay.
Right. Let's say I am a conservative trader and I will simply go with the spreads. So if I just click on spread, so what will happen? It will tell me which strike you need to take a trade. So first it's telling me, okay, go and buy 1660 call option.
Okay.
Right. Which is trading at 5.4 and sell 1700 call option, which is trading at 4.4.
Okay.
Right. This is the trade. And if the market reaches at 1700, you will earn 50,000 as a profit.
Okay.
If market reaches 1640, you will lose 6,000 as a only loss.
Okay.
Right. So this is my trade, and there's a 10 days remaining.
Yeah.
Risk reward is 2.64. Margin is required is approximately 55,000 rupees.
Okay.
That's a simple thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now now the question is, how do we further approach it? Okay. So you can open this in architect function. So architect function is basically a strategy builder kind of thing.
Okay.
Okay. Now this application is also attached with lot of brokers.
Okay.
So we have an integration with a few brokers. Okay, as of now, but we'll expand it. So you can place the order directly from here to your account.
Okay.
If you want to place this strategy on HDFC Bank, 1600 quantity and 1660 call option and 1700 call option sell, you can place the order. Click on place the order, right? So if I click on this, you can see the one screen came actually, but my account is not linked actually. So you can see these are the 5 brokers you can attach. So you can link from here.
Okay.
Like Alice Blue Fires, 5 Paisa, okay, Edelweiss and Choice, right? So if you have any of the 5 brokers, anyone can go and do this thing. Simple, right? Okay, so let me come back to the optimizer again. There is one another good thing that we have in this, that because we all traders are having a different kind of mindset, capital, risk, reward ratio, and all those things, right?
Yes.
So this optimizer have that capacity that it can give you trade modify based on your appetite also.
Okay.
Let's say we'll go to optional parameter. Now in this case, let's say
capital. Okay. This is very helpful.
50 lakh capital.
Okay.
Okay. And I can take let's say 2 lakh rupees loss in this strategy.
Okay.
So now you give me the strategy based on this. So it will modify this whole thing.
Okay.
Right? Now if I click on bull put spread or bull call spread, let's say, now it might have changed the spread. It is asking me go and buy 15 lots of this.
Okay.
1640 and 1700. Sell this call option, and you will achieve these profitability. If market reaches this point, you will make 3 lakh rupees. If market goes against us, we'll lose
1 lakh 90.
This is from the higher side. If we have something like retail traders, 5 lakh rupees, I don't want to lose more than 20,000 rupees in this strategy. Now give me a strategy based on this. Okay. I click on apply. Accordingly, it will change it. Now, see, now it has increased to 3 lots. Again, it came back to 1660 and 1700. But it is asking me now you need to only take 3 lots. So it is telling me quantity also. It is telling me also what is the strike price that you need to. So the main question always remain as for option trader is which strike to buy.
Actually, which strike? Yeah. Main thing that one only. Yeah.
So you don't have to do any hard work in this. You don't have to do any homework. You just bring your view, give it to optimizer, and optimizer will solve your problem. Yes. That will strike to take. But just one thing, it does not consider the liquidity problem. Because he doesn't know that there is something called liquidity issue. Yeah. Because so he knows that if there is a price, I'll catch it and I'll give you the profitability, right? So you need to be very careful by selecting the liquid strikes. That's all. So I have a doubt. If you are selling like 17,000 call, 16,668 call we are buying, and one is selling rate.
In stock options, mostly we will get at limit price only. Like
Yeah, we
if
will
you, when you are
yeah,
placing an order, we
so
have to place in limit price only. No? Market price.
so once you open it in the architect, okay, once you click
Okay.
on like place order, as soon as you click on place order, we will have a one window there.
Okay.
You can decide if you want to place a market order or limit order. You can do whatever.
Okay. I mean, some brokers will accept market order, but some brokers is accepting on limit order.
That is okay. So that is okay. So whenever there is that kind of issue, you always place a limit order higher than the current market price.
Yes,
It will
that is
automatically
important.
accept as a limit order. So if it is trading at, let's say, 15.50, place 15.30. So it will accept your limit order as a market order.
Okay.
Right. On the selling side, we need to place the order lower level. So
Lower
if it is
level.
trading at 4.65, place 4.40.
40.
Eventually it will take as a market.
సో ఇక్కడ మీ క్లియర్ కట్ గా ఇక్కడ ఏం చెప్పారంటే చూడండి, మీరు కానీ మీ వ్యూ ప్రాపర్ బులిష్ ఉంది మార్కెట్ లో, బ్యాంక్ నిఫ్టీ అయినా నిఫ్టీ 50 అయినా, నేను డైలీ అనాలిసిస్ వీడియోలో చెప్తుంటాను కదా 17,000 దగ్గరికి వెళ్తుంది ఈ వీక్ అని. ఇప్పుడు మీ దగ్గర మీ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ ప్రకారం నేను 44,000 దగ్గరికి వెళ్తుంది అని చెప్పాను ఎప్పుడు మొన్న మండే. ఇప్పుడు మీ వ్యూ బులిష్ ఉన్నప్పుడు, ఇక్కడ మీ వ్యూ బులిష్ ఉన్నప్పుడు మీరు ఏ స్ట్రైక్ ప్రైస్ సెల్ చేయాలి, ఏ స్ట్రాటజీ సెల్, ఏమి కష్టపడవసరం లేదు. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి జస్ట్ మీ వ్యూ బులిష్ కాబట్టి బులిష్ సైడ్ మీ సిగ్నల్ ఇవ్వండి, మీ క్యాపిటల్ ఎంత ఉందో ఆ క్యాపిటల్ మెన్షన్ చేయండి, కంప్లీట్ స్ట్రాటజీ మీకు బిల్డ్ చేసి ఇస్తుంది, విచ్ ఇస్ వెరీ గుడ్. నేను అడిగితే 100% బెటర్, బిగినర్స్ చాలా బాగా యూజ్ అవుద్ది. ఇటు మీకు ఆల్రెడీ నేను మార్కెట్ లో డైలీ అనాలిసిస్ చెప్తా 43,500 అయితే 44,000 దాకా వెళ్తుందని. అప్పుడు మీరు ఈ అంటే వీక్ పొజిషన్స్ అంతా మీరు క్యారీ ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయొచ్చు. మీరు డే అంతా ఇంటర్డేలో కూర్చొని లాస్ అయ్యేదాకన్నా 3-4 డేస్ పొజిషన్స్ క్యారీ చేయండి, మంచి ప్రాఫిట్స్ వస్తాయి. వ్యూ ప్రాపర్ గా ఉండాలి, మెయిన్ థింగ్ వ్యూ ప్రాపర్ గా ఉండాలి. మీకు స్ట్రాటజీ ఆటోమేటిక్ గా బిల్డ్ అయ్యి వస్తుంది, విచ్ ఇస్ వెరీ గుడ్. నేను కంప్లీట్ డీటెయిల్ గా వీడియో అయితే చేస్తాను. ఓకే, సో గో హెడ్ సార్, ఐ లైక్ దిస్ ఆప్షన్. యా.
So this is a very good tool, right? Okay. So even so, let me tell you, when we started the Quantsapp, we have the only one tool, which is Quantsapp Optimizer.
Okay.
The first one is the tool that we have. So after that, we have developed all this. So we started with the Optimizer. That's why it's on the first one.
Yeah, first.
Right. Okay.
I saw India Wix also. This is also very good, sir. I liked it. India Wix.
India Wix is just a tool which basically gives you the value.
Because here I identify like April 2nd there is a crossover. From there Wix was down, like price was going up.
So we have a negative relation.
So even this is also very useful. Even I told my subscribers and my team also, this is very useful for positional basis. If you are planning
so it's
for
it's a free tool, right? Actually, you can use it. So there are, see, like we have a 75 tools, a lot of tools to be learned, right? Okay. So yes, but we have discussed 3 tools today. Okay. One is trigger, one is order entered, and one for positional for trap, right? And we gave you one extra tool, which is optimizer to, build the strategies, right? So we have discussed 4 tools today, and they are very useful.
Yeah.
I would suggest that you all should use it.
Sir, and I have one more small question. We can see option chain in Nifty or Bank Nifty where open interest was increasing or decreasing. We can see an option chain, or we can see an open interest column only.
So you can see that if you open chain, if you open this option chain, you can see that the open interest values are there.
Okay.
So if it is increasing and decreasing, you can see that in the column.
Okay.
Right. And if you want to, so this tool is free actually. So it's a live open interest chain. So basically, we get the data live feed as per the NSE rules only. Okay. So, but most of the time you can see that the OI data get updated within like 30 seconds also, even 1 minute also. So it's very random. So it keeps on changing on a different time. We don't have any specific time, but it will never delay by more than 3 minutes.
Okay. And one more thing, is there any BTST like we can move? Because most of the subscribers or most of my team members will ask for BTST. Is there any BTST? We can find it in the BTST.
We have a one tool, but that is not based on the direction for BTST. Okay.
But we have
that's based on volatility. Okay, we can try this.
Okay.
But I'll definitely share it with you.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
But that's a bit a higher end tool to understand. Okay. So what I need to do is I have to give you at least 20-30 minutes of explanation of behind it. Why we have created that. So that's based on IB actually. So to give you the actual trade, but we need to understand the concept, right? Okay, but we'll definitely talk about. Okay, so anything else if you want to ask, I'll definitely
that's it, sir. And next one thing, option scalping is not that much. IB, we can see any IB?
IB, we have a full suite. You can see anything you want to check from IB, right?
Okay.
So there are a lot of data in IB, right? Okay. So Again, I would say whenever we create another, we'll have to create a one whole video on IVM.
Okay,
So,
and most of the traders will use PCR also. Even my team is asking about PCR. We can see the PCR and we can judge like market is going up. PCR
so we
data
have
is
a PCR data actually. So we have two PCRs, OI PCR and we have wall PCR also.
okay. Which one is important? OA?
Both are okay. So what happened is that it gives you a signals also. The wall PCR actually gives you signals here. We have
Okay.
created a trading signals also.
Okay, sell signal. Okay, buy signal here like
So
this.
sell is here, buy is here. OI PCR we haven't done it as of now, but you will get that in this also. But we are also bringing OI PCR in the charts also coming up time.
Okay.
So that's where it will become more easy to trade for intraday also.
Yeah, it will become easy to trade.
Exactly.
Yeah.
As of now, we have a EOD data, so we need to talk from the perspective of end of the day.
That's it, sir. Okay, thank you. Really, your session was really amazing, sir. We loved a lot because I hope my team will they will get benefit from this because there are a lot of things. Because mostly my subscribers, they will ask me about positional trades, swing trades. And they will ask for any intraday stock options, especially they will ask for stock options because there is volatile will be less, no sir, in stock options, because they will ask that one only. Even I told that stock options is much better than Nifty compared to Bank Nifty.
That is okay. So we have given both the things. Even they want to take a trade in Nifty, Bank Nifty, they can use the order trade for intraday charts, right? That is good. And if you want to take up positional trades, then we have a trap for stocks. Again, if you want to take an intraday trades, that we will use the trigger. So I have given everything. But I haven't given anything for option writer as of now. So we'll talk about this.
Okay, definitely, sir. We are expecting more collaboration videos like this, sir.
Yeah, sure. Definitely. I'm always there to help you. Even if your subscriber need any kind of help, I'm always there, right?
Yeah, thank you.
You can put all the queries to me, right?
Definitely, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
సో ఎలా ఉంది, నచ్చిందా? మొత్తం సిరీస్ నచ్చింది కదా, 1 2 3 పార్ట్లు ఇంకా ఉంది. నేను పర్సనల్ గా చేస్తాను, బట్ ఐ హోప్ ఆయన చెప్పినవన్నీ నేను అన్ని అడిగాను, వీలైనంత వరకు అన్ని అడిగాను. చూడండి, బీటీఎస్టీల గురించి అడిగాను, తర్వాత స్వింగ్ అన్ని నేను ఏవేవో కావాలో అవి గురించి గట్రా అడిగాను. కొన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్వి కొద్ది లెంతీగా పెద్ద టైం పడుతుంది మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడానికి అని చెప్పారు. అది అడ్వాన్స్ లెవెల్. ఎప్పుడు చేస్తారు మళ్ళీ మేము కొలాబరేట్ అడిగినప్పుడు వాళ్ళకి కూడా మన వ్యూస్ చూసి అనిపించాలి, అరే బాగా చేశారు, మళ్ళీ వీళ్ళ సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ బేస్ బాగుంది అంటే, వీళ్ళ కమ్యూనిటీ బాగుంది, వీళ్ళ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళాలి అని అనిపించాలి. దానికి మీరు చేయాల్సింది ఒకటే, షేర్ చేయండి. వీలైనంత వరకు 3 వీడియోలు షేర్ చేయండి, మంచి వ్యూస్ తేండి. ఓకే, నేను కంటిన్యూ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తాను సిరీస్. మళ్ళీ ఆయన ఒకసారి పిలుద్దాం. బీటీఎస్టీలు గట్టా ఏమైనా ఉంటే, ఎలాగా మార్కెట్ హౌస్ పెరిగిపోతే అంటున్నారు, అది ఎసనో తెలీదు. ఒకవేళ బీటీఎస్టీ కావాలంటే మళ్ళీ నేను వెనక అడుగుతాను. ఓకేనా? బట్ మీరు ప్రజెంట్ అయితే షేర్ చేయండి. ఐ హోప్ మీకు నచ్చింది అనుకుంటా. ఏమైనా మీ అభిప్రాయాలు ఏమన్నా మీ కామెంట్స్లో తెలియజేయండి దయచేసి. దాన్ని బట్టి ఛానల్ బాగా బూస్ట్ అవుద్ది. ఓకే, అప్పటికెళ్ళి వీడియోస్ చూస్తాను, ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తాను. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. బాయ్ బాయ్.